Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make a snack called Pakkavada. This is a very popular Kerala snack and it is very easy to make. So for this we need 1 cup of besan flour, then half cup of roasted rice flour. Sift besan flour and rice flour together. Add salt to taste, then 1 tablespoon of butter. Instead of butter, you can use vegetable oil, that's your choice. Combine this well. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of soft powder or Aniseeds powder, 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine this well. Check salt and adjust accordingly. Mix well the same way as you do a chapati or a roti dough. Add water little by little and get the dough ready as shown. If you find it sticky, then add a touch of oil onto your palms and spread it out. Allow the prepared dough to sit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes in an airtight container. It's been 15 minutes now and the dough is soft and ready. Using an idiyappam maker or seva press, we will press the dough to get our pakkavada ready. Fill the dough into the press. Now let's fry them. For this I have heated the pan at medium heat. To test the hotness of the oil, just drop a little dough into the hot oil. If it is immediately comes to the top surface, oil is hot enough. Deep fry in hot oil over medium heat until it becomes golden brown on both sides. Flip to both sides for even frying. Once they are golden brown, we can remove them and transfer it to the paper towel. Continue the process with rest of the dough. Once the pakkavadas is cool, then break it into 2 to 3 inch pieces. Serve our yummy pakodas with hot tea. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.